What it do, squad? If you like flat cars, sassy women, custom bikes, you're definitely in the right spot. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the lit content, and keep rocking with your boy. Let's get it, squad.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back. I'm back. I'm here in St. Louis with Lil Q. We out here. We came to the GAPFEST with Demonology and Monster Fame Race on tomorrow, but today is the pull up and park event here in St. Louis. I'm out here at Pure Performance. We out here. We're about to get it in. I'm about to walk around, try to get as many people and as many of the cars as I possibly can. We out here, and that's what it is. Starting off with Frosty. She clean today. I got her looking good. Look at this right here.
God.
Pulling through. Sorry about your neck. That wrap look good. Got the wide body boy just pulled up. Oh yeah, look good, look good.
Okay, so this car kind of looks like the Joker. See right here.
What color is this?
Purple and green.
That Joker look good right there. What it do? Big Q Views from Chicago. That's what it do. We out here strong, supporting, showing love to everybody. Just grinding, flexing. You know what it do. Big Q Views in the building. That's big with 2 G's. We out here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I'm out here in St. Louis, and I met another guy, true to the grind, just like me. Gotta love it, gotta respect it. From St. Louis. Shout yourself out, my boy.
Y'all, this In-Crowd Gang. You can follow me on all social medias at In-Crowd, E-N-C-R-O-W-D, gang. In-Crowd, gang.
That's what it do. Now, what's your content about, my dude?
Man, my content about Mopar, family, friends, everything, man. So you're gonna get a little bit of everything. It's 90% about cars and fixing everything up, but it's mostly about family too, and just building with other people, like how we networking right now, man.
That's what it is. That's what it is.
Me right there,
positive vibes.
right here,
Which one is you? Which one is you? Scatty? Okay, you know I got the Scatty too. I got the Scatty too. What is this? A 2020? 21. Okay, 21 with the racing stripes. With the red pin. Okay, I see you, my boy. I see you, my boy, with the roof. We got the red Brimbos down there. Okay, you ain't half stepping. I see you, my boy. I see you, my boy. Y'all see the Scat sign? Hey, you know what it do. It's only Scat Pack. You know what we do. Oh, hey, and he ain't just with the basic interior either. Look at that interior. Oh, that 392. Oh, y'all see them tips on it? Y'all see them tips? Oh, I like that wrap, man. Oh, that wasn't even him, was it? Okay. You making a lot of noise. Hey, man, you got a channel?
Yes, sir.
Hey, shout your channel out.
Mopar BZ23.
Wait, hold on. Let me get you in the. Yeah, there we go. All right.
Okay, Mopar BZ23 on all social media platforms.
That's what it do. What's your content about, my dude?
I do a lot of car shows. Just going to, St. Louis, doing a lot of car shows. I got my own car club called Gorilla Gang.
That's what it is.
You know what I'm saying? We just a car club that like to get together, ride out. You know what I'm saying? Do street takeovers, light takeovers. It's going up, man. We keep getting heavier and heavier. That's the only way we can get, man.
That's it. Only going up,
yeah,
right?
Only going up.
That's what it do.
Yeah.
That's what it do.
Hey, make sure you follow your boy, and I thank you. I appreciate you.
Yeah. Let's. Big Q Views out here from Chicago representing. We out here doing our thing, networking, loving each other, feeling positive vibes only. We out here. Check out my channel, manly based channel, cars, bikes, travel vlogs. I got a travel vlog from Dominican Republic about to drop on the channel. I haven't dropped it yet, but it's coming. Check it out. Shout out your channel, my boy.
Car Geek Meek. Make sure y'all check me out on YouTube. Car Geek Meek.
Hey, what's your content about, my boy?
I do just like car stuff. So like I do like races.
Okay. Underground races?
Yeah. I add mods to my car.
This you right here? So as y'all see, I just been out here networking, meeting everybody. Hello, y'all got channels? You got a channel?
Yes, I do.
Hey, hold on. We out here networking, we doing our thing. Big Q Views, we out here. Shout out your channel, baby girl.
Kimbo, I do Bath and Body Works reviews. Check me out, Kimbo on YouTube as well as Instagram, Kimbo Renee.
Okay. Come on. What's up, my boy? You got a channel?
Yep.
Come on. Hold on. Let's How are you?
Pretty good. How long did it take you guys to get out here?
Like 3.5, 4 hours, something like that.
Okay. That's not bad.
Yeah, it's all good.
About 3, 4.
Well, not that you need any introduction, but go ahead and shout your channel out, please.
Y'all already know it's vlogging with Angie and kids. I'm not wearing the merch today, but I do have merch with me. So if y'all seeing this and you guys are here, feel free to stop by the car. Otherwise, tomorrow.
Angie and kids. She only got one with her.
I didn't want to bring the other ones.
Hey, he
Too
chill.
much of a handful today.
Hey, he chill. So how long did it take you to get here?
About 3.5.
That's what it is.
Quad City, so.
Yeah.
And then Bath and Breaks, and then stopped in Springsville. Oh no, what the hell is it? What's the capital? No. Yeah.
St. Louis.
No.
Oh. Watch out, Q.
I had to think about what it was.
Springfield.
So we
Springfield.
stopped there at Lincoln's house. Yeah, stopped at Lincoln's house.
At Lincoln. You
Yeah.
actually went?
Yeah. I mean, we didn't go in.
But you had to see it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's what it do. It's
vlog on vlog.
Vlogs on vlogs, cameras on cameras. That's what it do. So are you actually going to the track tomorrow?
Yes, I am. My car will be in the show.
Okay, well that's what it do. Are you gonna do some drifting?
No.
You gonna drift in the van? No. You go bone out some donuts.
No, it's not rear wheel.
No.
It's not rear wheel.
Well, do it in front wheel. Spin that joker in a circle in the front wheel. You know, that's what.
I just make it go.
That's what it do.
And then my check engine light eventually come on.
Okay.
Send the seafoam through it.
So the question that everybody wants to know: will you be in character tomorrow? Will you be in?
Will be.
Oh snap! Oh
it's
snap!
It's hot, so I won't have it on that long because it's like pants wise, but it's fit.
But it fit.
Yeah.
Well, we gonna see.
It's snug.
We gonna see tomorrow. But that's what it do. Thank you for your time, Miss Angie.
Thank you.
And kids. And brother. That's what it do. Vlogs on vlogs. Be good, babes.
You too.
So it's literally so many, huh?
I should have bought my hat.
You should have bought your hat.
Yep.
It's literally so many cars and so many people out here. Small time YouTubers. I'm trying to get everybody on the channel. That's what it do. Hey, what's up, my boys? Y'all get channels?
Channel J, Hollywood Nation on YouTube.
Okay. What was it? Shout your channel out?
Hollywood Nation on YouTube.
Okay.
Gaming pranks, you know.
Okay. That's what it. What you think so far?
It's all right.
Got Melly's World. And she not half-stepping at all.
All right, I appreciate it. I will see you tomorrow. Can't wait. All right.
She got the ZL1 boy. Now I know last time in Memphis, you kicked it off with the revving of the engine. You sitting here running right now. Are you about to hit it one time for the one time? You gonna hit it one time for the one time? Hey, word. How y'all doing? Y'all get my boy, and I'm gonna have you shout yourself out too.
Man. Like, comment, subscribe. We're going about 2021, man. Came out here, pull up a park, all the way from Texas, 10-hour drive.
From Texas?
Yeah.
That's what it do. How long a ride you have?
10 hours.
Woo!
Yeah, 10 hours.
Woo! We had 4, and I thought that was a bit much, my boy.
That 10 home.
This man had 8 miles away.
But I got 400 miles we gotta know.
Oh, okay.
400 miles we gotta know on Scat Pack.
Okay. That's what it do. What's your channel?
My channel is 392 Breesky. You're gonna see it right under his channel.
Okay, that's what it do.
YouTube channel.
Okay, that's what it do. From Texas, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna shout your channel out?
Silverback 6'9".
Silverback 6'9".
Yep, right here.
That's what it do.
Saturday Night Live. Kingdom Saturday nights, 8 p.m. Central Time.
Okay. Mr. New York, how you doing, my boy? Hey, you the man. Good to see you.
talking about me. And you talking about me. Don't you ever say nothing about me again.
I can't do shoot. She okay? Come on, girl. We know we got this. Come on. Shoot. Hey, man. I'm gonna mess you up.
I know you are. He gonna mess up, and he gonna put a big ass scratch on Drac tomorrow. He's like, oh shit. Like, okay, you see this? Yeah, let's go.
So y'all see the real Nova797 is here taking pictures, doing her thing. And I got her. And the red eye. What's up, my boy? You got a channel? Hey man, come on, let's sub. Let's sub for sub. Let's do it. Big Q views, big with 2 G's. Let's do it. Got the real Nova797. Which one you say you was trying to see? Look. You just got here? Hey, you racing?
Catfish caught on YouTube. That's the detail. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, man. All social media, all social media platforms, you know what I'm saying? Let's do what we get, you know what I'm saying? All the way up in 2021. Yes, sir. And 2022. Oh, she got the Lambo show. I forgot she had the Lambo show.
Got the ladies. We here all night long. I'm here with AB and that thing. What's going on, man? Shout out your channel. Not that you need no shout out. Go ahead and shout it out. Tell them where you from. Say it loud and proud.
Chicago, man.
You from where? You from where? You from where, big dog?
Hey, man, it's AB underscore the thing, man. Go ahead and shoot out the channel. Subscribe. Don't just watch, man. I'm with my boy BQ Views, man. Y'all make sure y'all support and subscribe to his channel, too. Thanks for the love, bro.
Hey, that's what it do, my dude. Y'all already know who this is. Flyby G Money.
It's your boy, Flyby G Money. You keep it fly. You see the fit.
Hey, where you know what I'm saying? You see the fit.
You see the drip.
You see the drip.
You see the fit. You know what I'm saying?
Where you from, fam? Tell them where you from.
Chicago.
That's what it do.
Bro, you already know.
That's what it do.
Know, hey, Flyby G Money, where you customize any ride. Chicago.
Customize whatever you drive.
That's right.
Look at this joker pulling through.
Ooh, that boy nice.
Look at the Regal. The Regal, he got the gold-plated Regal spokes.
The pearl paint job.
Pearl paint job.
Look like he got a motor too.
Look like he working with an LSX in there. LS swap. Look like.
Got the T-type hood.
T-type hood. Got the roof. Rag look good. He got that Regal looking good. He got that Regal looking good. I seen Mr. 75 looking like, let me go hit that black card. You know. do. That wrap, that matte color, how the black ain't shiny.
That one right there.
Slimpack. That's your ass girl right there. Oh, I'm sorry about that. What's up, my boy? What up, my boy? Hey, you the man. Got everybody out here checking it out, Oh man, look at that flip right there. That's a nice flip.
Let me grab my chair.
Can y'all see that flip right there? I don't even know if we can see that. But we're gonna continue to walk around and get this. Told y'all he was coming. As y'all see, this color.
Oh, guys. Hey, better look. She gonna start it up. She gonna start it up.
She back.
And she got some laughing gas in there. Oh. And she manual too.
Oh man.
She ain't playing.
And I see she got the gauges up top.
Yeah, she manual. Got a cam in that piece too. Oh yeah, that thing
sounds like a lot of work done in there, huh?
Just a teeny little bit.
Shout your channel out. You got a channel?
I am _314.
That's what it do. Your car is beautiful.
Thank you.
Hit it one more time for me.
And it's a lady car too.
Y'all know what that noise means, don't you? Y'all know what that noise means, don't you?
I'm scared of you. I'm scared of you.
Now look at that flip. Can y'all see that flip?
Yeah, I see the flip. I'm just looking at the ring. That bitch retarded.
Oh man, look at this shit. Y'all see that?
Earlier, because he was over there. Everybody stopped like, yo.
Jazz adores you. We got the Lit family. We got the Lit family. Back to back. What's up, Mr. Lit?
How you feeling, man?
How are you? How you doing, young man?
What's up, brother?
Hey, you the man, you the man. You got the Lit family back to back.